Let's talk selling a home. I can't tell you how many people, agents think that selling a home is simply putting a sign in a front yard, blowing up a couple of balloons, maybe placing a couple of ads online, and then waiting for offers to simply roll in. Selling real estate is none of that. If it was, who would need an agent? Obtaining the highest price is about the art of negotiation. Everyone thinks that a transaction is going to go smoothly, and I can tell you from experience that 99% of them don't. Stats show that the average agent sells less than 10 properties a year, and that's simply just not enough bats to be good at really honestly anything. You want an agent that closes 10 plus homes a month. Closing deals isn't just about perfecting your negotiation skills. It's also about building relationships and trust with other agents in the industry that you can leverage to get the tough deals done. It can also be about liquidity and branding. Big agents have big budgets and entire teams of the best photographers, videographers, stagers, inspectors, contractors. They have entire marketing teams and support staffs to ensure a home gets maximum exposure, which equals a higher selling price. Look, there's nothing wrong with just getting started into an industry and being a little experienced. We have new agents in our company. The difference is all of our new agents are paired with either a top broker or are placed within a seasoned team until they can fly on their own. If you're thinking about selling your home, we should talk to see if we're a good fit for one another. Fill out the information to the right and let's have a brief conversation about our experience and your goals. You won't regret it.